Hello dear childrens and parents, I am Mrs. Magdali Ekka, and you are watching Kids 4 Classes. 1 Classes Home. Hello childrens, how are you all? In today's English class, we will learn about lining. This class will help you makes letters using this lines. So, let's start. Dear childrens, there are 4 types of lining. Spell after me. First one is S T A N D I N G, standing. L I N E, line, it is called standing line. A standing line is drawn from top to bottom. Second is S L E E P I N G, sleeping. L I N E, line, it is called sleeping line. A sleeping line is drawn from left to right. Third is C U R V E S, curves. L I N E, line, it is called curves line. One curve line is drawn this way, and the other one this way. Last is S L A N T I N G, slanting. L I N E, line. It is called slanting line. One slanting line you can draw this way, and the other one this way. So, childrens, I hope you knew the 4 different types of lines. Let us read together once again. The first one is standing line. The second one is sleeping line. The third one is curves line. And the fourth one is slanting line. Well done childrens. Now, let us use this line to draw a letter. As an example, to draw any letters using these lines, I am taking the letters A, B, C and D. For this, I request the parents and guardian to provide a 4-line copy to their kids, and mark the dots on the copy, as shown on the screen. Follow the red dot to draw the letters. For letter A, draw 1, 2, slanting line, and 1, sleeping line. For letter B, draw 1, standing line, 1, sleeping line, 1, 2, curve line, and again 1, sleeping line. For letter C, draw 1, curve line. For letter D, draw 1, standing line, 1, sleeping line, 1, curve line, and again 1, sleeping line. Dear childrens, it was really very easy to draw the letters using the lines. Yes or no? I hope yes. Now let me show you 2 practice formats. One is this format to practice line drawing, and second one is this format to practice letters drawing. So I request all dear parents and guardians to please help and guide your little ones to practice and learn whatever lesson that will be taught during this lockdown hour. Thank you all for today's tutorial. I will see you in a next one. Till then, stay safe, good luck, and keep practicing. God bless you all.